Hey guys, it's Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you guys are doing extremely well. Well guys, today in this video I'm gonna give you, AuthenticLoveMag inspired, preset in the form of, mobile Lightroom preset, PC Lightroom preset, camera preset. If you don't know who is AuthenticLoveMag, then just go on Instagram and just search the profile. He is a very famous wedding photographer and a kind of, creative profile. We do respect his color effect which he uses in his photographs. So guys, by using this preset you can just turn your wedding photograph or the pre-wedding photograph to a kind of a creative look. So guys, this preset I personally handcrafted for you guys. Before any further ado, let's jump to the video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome. The three dots on the right screen, unselect the JPG and RAW file, only select the RAW file. RAW file, the preset file which are present in your PC or the gallery or the SD card. Now click on this and just click on the add button, so it will be that preset will be added on your all photos. So here is the preset file of AuthenticLoveMag. Now open that preset file, click on the three dots and select the copy settings and hit OK. Now go back and again let's apply this preset to any of your photographs. So let's try it on this photograph. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings, and you can see the difference. It is really looking very similar to that of AuthenticLoveMag. Let's apply this photograph. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings, and you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. Let's apply to this photograph. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings, and you can check out the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. Really, it's an amazing preset guys, you should check this out. Let's apply to this photograph. You can see the difference. Let's apply to this photo. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings. Here is the before and here is the after. So guys, now let's apply the same preset to your PC Lightroom as well as Photoshop by using the camera preset and the Lightroom preset. So let's jump to the computer screen. So the very first thing all you have to do is just download this AuthenticLoveMag inspired camera preset file and also the Lightroom preset file from the links down given in the description from ashvircreations and filterpreset.com. Now just we gonna both install this preset. So all you have to do is just right click on it, select extract here, and also do the same process over here. So it will just extract the folder, and you will find here is the AuthenticLove inspired preset of Lightroom preset for your PC.lr template is the extension of the Lightroom. Now just copy this preset and we're gonna install this to your computer. So go to the C drive, select the user, ashvircreations user, go to the app data folder, select the roaming, select the Adobe, and just select the Lightroom and go to develop preset. Go to user preset. If you want to paste this, you can always paste here, but I'll paste on the filter preset tab and just right click on it and select the paste. So here is the FP stands for filter preset and AuthenticLoveMag inspired AVC. Now let's do the same process for installing the camera preset. So open the preset file. .xmp is the extension of the camera preset for your Photoshop. Now just copy this, right click on it and select the copy, and here instead of going to Lightroom folder, we'll go to the camera and go to the settings and just paste that preset over here. So finally FP AuthenticLoveMag inspired AVC. So we have installed the preset to Photoshop also. Now let's restart your Lightroom as well as Photoshop and let's apply the preset to your photos and let's see how it actually looks. So here I have already opened the photograph. Now just let's select FP AuthenticLoveMag and just click this preset and you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is after. It is really looking very amazing and similar to that of AuthenticLoveMag. Let's apply to this photograph. Just click on this button and you can check out the difference. It is really looking very amazing. Let's try it to some other photographs. Let's try on this image. Go to the develop preset and select the FP Authentic Love, and you can check out the difference. It's really an amazing preset. If you want a desaturated tone just like Authentic Love, then you should try this preset. So you can see the difference. It is really giving you a very exact or very similar tone to that of Authentic Love magazine inspired. And we really do respect the color effect which they are using in their photos. So you can see the difference. So guys, now let's jump to the Photoshop and let's apply the preset by using the camera filter. So restart your Photoshop and let's take some of the example images. Let's open this photograph. Go to the filter, select the camera, then go to the settings or the preset, and from here FP AuthenticLoveMag. Here is a FP AuthenticLoveMag inspired. So you can see the difference. Here was the before and here is the after. This one is really looking very amazing. You can always change the contrast and you can add some kind of highlights. You can always do this minor adjustment according to your photographs. Now just hit OK. Now let's take some more example images. So let's take this photograph. Let's take this and this, also kind of this photograph. Just drag and drop over here, and again directly just go to the filter and select directly the camera filter, so it will automatically take the before adjustment. So you can see the difference. Here was the before and here is the after. This one is really looking very cool and very similar to that of Authentic Love, and you can see the difference. Here's the before and here's the after. Let's try it on this. Here's the before and here is the after. Really looking very amazing. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just press the like button, and if you still not subscribed to our channel, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download new backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom Presets, LUTs to color grade your photos as well as videos, and other cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff for free. Also guys, visit our second website, that is www.filterpreset.com. On that website we're gonna upload soon the most creative and the powerful presets. So guys, go and check it out that website. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.